Every other akara you've eaten in the past is no match for the akara you're looking at right now, including the ones I've shared with you here. This is the boss of them all. Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're a regular here. Okay, my name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this really good looking yummy akara that also uses way less oil. Let's just say a healthier akara. To make this, get some clean peeled beans and add peppers and onions just like you normally would, and bring these to a smooth blend. Remember not to use too much water. If like me you love akara but you always have to be cautious and you're looking for a healthier version, this is the video for you. I have already whisked this. If you notice, it looks fluffy already, so I added salt, ground crayfish and shredded mackerel. If you like to use stock cubes for your akara, include it now and give it a good mix to combine everything. I don't like to use stock cubes in my akara. I stopped using it a long time ago, and that's why I'm not adding any. And get out your masa pan. This pan is useful for so many things aside just making masa with it. Once you have added oil in the pan, begin to scoop the batter in bits into the holes, making sure that you don't do more than 2 tablespoons at a time. We don't want these to be too bulky, and we're also trying to make sure that they cook thoroughly. So I am frying these on low to medium heat, and I think that when you put the lid on, it traps in steam, helping it cook thoroughly and results in a really fluffy akara. I like to keep water in that middle hole because it gets the most heat and food can get burnt in there very quickly. Besides, that water in the middle, as it boils and I keep it covered, you know it evaporates, creating steam, and it will help the akara to cook through. I fried each side for about 5 minutes on low to medium heat. This recipe went viral on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok, and I had to quickly put together a longer version for you here, my people. You can get this masa pan from vendors on Instagram, or you can just shop online from places like Jumia if you live in Nigeria. For subsequent batches, I used even lesser oil and it was so good, tasty, healthy. This is how I want akara going forward. I think you should adopt it too. If you enjoyed this video, please don't leave without liking it and leaving me a nice comment. I will appreciate that. And here I am trying to show you how thoroughly cooked and fluffy it is. Share this with your friends so we can all eat deliciously healthier. If you do try this recipe, I would love that you share your feedback with me on Instagram at foodieremrem. I will see you very soon with another delicious recipe. Until then, take care and bye-bye.